Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can change your username in TikTok. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. Firstly, look at the bottom taskbar. There is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type TikTok. It is available in both Play Store, App Store or Microsoft Store as well. And when you are inside the TikTok application, you just have to look in the top right corner. There is an circular icon. So when you hover around it, a pop-up box will open, and in the first option there is view profile. You just have to click on your view profile, and there is an edit profile option. So you just have to click on the edit profile, and as you can see, a new form is appeared. You can just click on the username box, delete the current username, and you can add your new username, and just click on the save button, and you will be able to change the username. So this is how you can easily change TikTok username. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.